Today I am gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search open range filter. Now the indicator is applied. In the settings, buy signal make triangle up, and the sell signal make the triangle down, and the color 0 make it blue color and thick. This indicator works really very good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. When the open range filter indicator gives you the green arrow mark and the price crosses above the blue line, buy the call and hold it until it gives you the red arrow mark. When the open range filter indicator gives you the red arrow mark and price crosses below the red line, sell the call and hold it until it gives you the green arrow mark. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.